Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So at the moment we're having our kitchen done. So we're having a new kitchen, but it's going to take 10 days, they said. So it's going to take 10 days to get it done. But at the moment sort of they're taking all the worktops where you do cooking, and obviously they're taking all that down, all the cupboards down, and everything. So that obviously I ain't going to show you. I don't want to get them into the video. But I'll show you once they've gone of what they've done and that. Um, so yeah, we're gonna have a completely different kitchen. So that's what we're having there at the moment. So we're taking everything out, and they're doing electricity as well. So checking the electricity as well and everything. That I've literally check mine because I've got the special plug thing that. So it's got three lights, right? I have to plug it in so that if it's got green lights, it means your power's working. I think if it's got three red lights, it means it's not working. I think. I don't know, but all I know is that if it goes, it means it's working. But I don't know about the red one. So yeah. So I checked mine, say it's perfectly working, and everything. So yeah, they're just doing our kitchen. They're taking our cover. They're taking our worktops off because they're giving us completely new ones. So, but the long cupboard that we've got, they've taken that off. But we're not having another new cupboard. We're having cupboards along where the TV was. And where the long cupboard was. So yeah, I'll show you later. So at the moment, I'm not doing much, but so yeah, I'm just literally in my room. You can hear the banging. They're just working in the kitchen, obviously trying to take everything down so that they could give us completely new ones. So anyway, yeah. So you hear the banging, what it's about there. So yeah, I'll show you later. But anyway, before I get started, make sure you give a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's get on with the video. So guys, I went downstairs for a bit and put in for a bit, and that's to watch my TV and that, and then now I'm back upstairs. Obviously, I'm mostly gonna film in my room anyway though. So I'm mostly in my room though. But so later on, once the work is gone out, obviously I'm gonna show you the kitchen of what it looks like. But not at the moment. Obviously, mostly I'm gonna film in my room and everything. I'm gonna listen to some music on my phone. So yeah, I'm gonna do some listening to some music, watch a bit of Netflix for a bit. So yeah, there's some music on YouTube though. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Um, so yeah, I don't know what my mum and dad's gonna do today, but I'm gonna actually, you know what?
Look, I'm sure Jesse is a good driver, but you already got a great one.
He's had a bad year. He didn't finish third.
Actually, I'm gonna put you there. So yeah, YouTube on my TV whilst my phone's charging. So yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna watch. And so yeah, it's just loading at the moment. Come on, man. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. So yeah, it's just loaded. So I'm gonna watch YouTube and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna watch, and that's what I'm gonna keep recording for a bit. You know. So yeah. So yeah. Don't know what to watch, but I'll show you what exactly I'm to be honest. I'll see you guys in a bit actually. So guys, they're still doing the kitchen, but they ripped the whole thing out of the kitchen. So my master, one of them, when we were getting gonna input the new stuff in, and they said to her on the 4th day, so Thursday, we're gonna have the new stuff. Like worktops, everything. We're gonna have new stuff for the kitchen on Thursday, and I'll shoot tonight. So I'll be putting today and tomorrow. I'll do it a weekly. So I'll put in today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday in one vlog. So yeah, Thursday will be the day that I'll be editing this vlog. So yeah, I won't edit today or anything until Thursday, so that still good. And I've got these, so I've got all of them. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, I've done some extra plants. So yeah, I'm trying to do as many as I can this month. I could earn extra money though. So yeah, I need to actually work now. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly do that and then see you guys in a bit. So guys, let's see what it looks like now, or what the kitchen looks like now. So yeah, this is what they've done yesterday. So the whole thing out. So as you can as you probably remember, there's like a breakfast bar here, and there's like a cupboard here. And then there was like a cupboard here, and then there was stop it! And there were worktops for there, which all they left was a sink, and that, and also a fridge. And under this is the cooker. So they've put like extra plugs in here, and here, and also which you don't this. But luckily we've got these USB inserters, USB things in there. Got an extra one there. So yeah, this is what it looks like now. But first they're gonna bring rest of the in, like new units and that, which they put in for us, luckily. Literally, I don't know why they put this here. To be honest, I don't know why, or that. So, to be honest, I don't even know why. But, you know, proper raining. It's really wet rain. Fan, which Dad and Matt don't like. But, you know, I think they're coming today to plasterboard all this, plasterboard everything. So I need plasterboard and everything. So yeah, I need to just wake it up and start filming a bit. So yeah, so that's gonna be a good weather day, to be honest. So I'll show you what it looks like, and then obviously I'll show you tonight again as well what it looks like with plasterboard and that. Then I don't know what they're doing tomorrow, but Thursday they're going to bring in a new unit. So from to input, I think they're redoing this sink, so yeah. So we still got the sink and everything, so yeah. I know this thing looks very good. Yeah. I'll see you guys. As you saw earlier, the kitchen, I'll show you one more time so you know what it looks like. So it looks like this now, but Thursday it won't look like this. It'll look black. So yeah, under this sheet, I think it's GG, is the cooker. Yeah, so have a look. I'm gonna make some toast actually. As you know, I'm gonna make some cereals actually. Just come see what. Oh, that's the bowl. Well, we'll make muffins. Yes. I haven't even tried these yet. Like, these are brand new, I think. Chocolate flavoured hazelnut crispy pillows. I've never tried these before. Like, these are cocoa pillows. Like, I've tried original ones, you know, the yellow ones, but I haven't actually tried the actual full-on chocolate ones, the crisp, you know, like chocolate ones flavoured. Sorry guys.
Samsung Galaxy S21 UK's number one, and the gaming unleashed bundle free and exclusive on EE. Enjoy over 100 Xbox games with 12 months of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate on the brilliant S21 screen. Game anywhere, anytime.
I think that's enough now. Put these back in here.
Order the epic Samsung Galaxy S21 5G now.
I'm gonna get some milk. I'll see you guys in a bit. And obviously, which I want to say is about 2:30 this afternoon. I've got to have my vaccine jab done at 2:30 this afternoon. So I'll film it, and so yeah, so yeah, I sort of have to have it done and everything. So yeah, so I'll film that and I'll see you guys soon. So guys, I've just went and had my vaccine jab today. I just literally had it done now. So now I'm just about to put Netflix on. I have my pack of crisps. We're having the kitchen plastered now, plasterboarded and that. So they're doing it now. They're going to plasterboard the wall in the kitchen. Then Thursday, we're going to have the whole kitchen with new units now. We're going to have new units in the kitchen on Thursday. And I'm just waiting for that to come on now. And that's so yeah. Another look, so it's cool. Yeah. To be honest, I don't really feel anything that straight away. But all I just feel is just tiredness, actually. And you know what I mean. But I'm just gonna watch Netflix and I'm gonna listen to some music in a bit. Don't know what to watch. I'm just gonna watch Friends. And that's it, yeah. And I'll see you guys soon. So guys, I'm downstairs because so yeah, because of the guys plastering the board and that, and obviously up to the so yeah, so yeah, still so yeah, I'm just looking that. So yeah, still. So yeah, watching TV, watching Friends. Hey, so yeah, I don't know what to do now. So yeah, I think that's what I'm doing. I mean, last some noodles actually. So guys, here we go. So it's all plasterboard in now. So I'm going to show you all the way around. And that. So yeah, you're going to rinse the seals, plasterboard it, and he's done all the way around here. But he said it would take 2 hours to dry. So that 2 holes in, one on each side. And yeah, my mum's on and my dad is on their way back. They're back now. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, this is the 3rd day of filming. Tomorrow will be the last, obviously, and that. So yeah, and then after that, after tomorrow, I'm gonna do separate videos after tomorrow, and everything. I've just I left my being at the back overnight last night to so it could soak up that. So yeah, and then obviously I got it out of the back garden. I properly cleaned it today, brought it back in, hooved it up, done my bed and everything. So yeah, didn't me long though, to be honest. I just did it quite quick, to be honest. And that's how I'm just putting Netflix on. I'm gonna watch Friends on season 4, season 5. Sometimes I can't remember what season I'm on. Because whereas Friends has got season 10, got 10 seasons, and so it's sort of, you know. I'm on season episode 20, so yeah, I'm gonna watch out for a bit and everything, and I'll see you guys soon. So guys, I'm going to the shop now. Actually, I'm going to get a seat because I want to get a popcorn chicken snack box. So, and that's how I want to get that. I'll see from the shop. I've already got it and get home. So yeah. Yeah. So yeah. Obviously, I get my mum and that drink this one there. And then my mum will drink this one there. I'm going to get myself a popcorn chicken sandwich with a mini fillet burger. So yeah, I've got 31 subscribers now. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know when we have another new kitchen yet. Obviously they're still doing stuff in the kitchen, but I don't know when we're having new stuff in it though yet. I don't know, because the other, I don't know, I'm a bit confused with that, so I just thinking about it. So yeah, just going through the park now. So yeah, and that's so yeah. I still, like, obviously tomorrow I'm just gonna edit tomorrow. Actually, I will edit today. Actually, I edit today and everything. So yeah, and then obviously if we do have new units in the kitchen tomorrow, obviously I'll film a second video, a separate vlog. So today I'll just edit and everything. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, if you have, make sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys again, depends, so I'll see you guys again tomorrow.